Reviews best motorcycles with reverse gears. Can-Am Spyder F3-T. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of three-wheeled motorcycles, specifically those that offer advanced features like reverse gear. We have a real gem to showcase, the Can-Am Spyder F3-T. This versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Can-Am Spyder F3-T is a powerful and comfortable touring trike designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,330 cubic centimeters Rotax V-twin engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Spyder F3-T is its reverse gear. This innovative feature makes maneuvering the heavy trike in tight spaces much easier, especially when parking or reversing out of a garage. In addition to the reverse gear, the Spyder F3-T comes with a host of advanced features, including a large TFT display, adaptive cruise control, heated grips and seats, and a premium audio system. The trike also features spacious storage compartments and a comfortable passenger seat. Design and aesthetics. The Spyder F3-T has a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a sporty and aggressive look. Its low center of gravity and wide stance provide excellent stability and handling. Target audience and relevance. The Spyder F3-T is ideal for riders who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable touring vehicle. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and iconic design make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The Spyder F3-T has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and advanced features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Spyder F3-T is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring trike. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other trikes. When compared to other popular trikes, the Can-Am Spyder F3-T stands out for its advanced technology and performance. Its reverse gear, traction control, and electronic suspension adjustment make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The Can-Am Spyder F3-T is a well-rounded touring trike that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, powerful engine, and iconic design make it a perfect choice for riders who want to experience the ultimate touring experience. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable touring trike, the Spyder F3-T is definitely worth considering.